Welcome to another installment of the Number Concepts and Operations playlist. In this video, we're delving into the practical applications of directed numbers. Directed numbers, also known as signed numbers, are a fundamental concept in mathematics that extends beyond the classroom. Today, we'll explore how they come to life in real-world situations, such as temperature variations and financial transactions. Before we dive into practical examples, let's recap what directed numbers are. Directed numbers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. They're used to represent quantities that have both magnitude and direction. One of the most common practical applications of directed numbers is in understanding temperature changes. Negative numbers represent temperatures below freezing, while positive numbers represent temperatures above freezing. We'll explore how to interpret and calculate temperature variations using directed numbers. If we have a temperature of plus 5 degrees Celsius, it means it's 5 degrees above freezing. Conversely, minus 3 degrees Celsius indicates a temperature 3 degrees below freezing. Now, let's explore how to calculate temperature changes using directed numbers. Suppose we start with a temperature of plus 5 degrees Celsius and it drops by 8 degrees. To find the new temperature, we'll subtract 8 degrees from plus 5 degrees Celsius. The result is minus 3 degrees Celsius. So, after a drop of 8 degrees, our new temperature is minus 3 degrees Celsius, indicating it's 3 degrees below freezing. Interpreting temperature variations using directed numbers is equally important. Let's say we have a day where the temperature starts at minus 3 degrees Celsius and then rises by 10 degrees. To find the new temperature, we'll add 10 degrees to minus 3 degrees Celsius. The result is plus 7 degrees Celsius. So, after a rise of 10 degrees, our new temperature is plus 7 degrees Celsius, indicating it's 7 degrees above freezing. In real life, understanding temperature changes using directed numbers helps us plan for weather conditions, make clothing choices, and even manage climate control in buildings. Whether it's tracking daily weather patterns or adjusting thermostats, directed numbers help us make informed decisions. Directed numbers also play a crucial role in financial scenarios. Whether it's calculating profit, loss, or account balances, directed numbers help us understand the financial health of individuals and businesses. We'll provide practical examples of how to use directed numbers in financial contexts. In the context of business finances, directed numbers help us understand whether a financial aspect is gaining or losing value. For instance, if we see a report indicating a profit of plus $10,000, it means the company made $10,000 above its expenses. Conversely, if we see a loss of minus $5,000, it means the company incurred a $5,000 deficit. Now, let's explore how to use directed numbers to analyze financial reports. Imagine we're reviewing a quarterly income statement. In the first quarter, the profit is plus $15,000, indicating a positive income. However, in the second quarter, there's a loss of minus $8,000. To determine the total profit or loss, we simply subtract the losses from the profits. The result is plus $7,000, indicating that, overall, the company has made a profit of $7,000 for the first two quarters. Directed numbers are also useful for detecting financial trends. By analyzing the directed numbers over time, we can identify trends. For instance, if we see a pattern of decreasing profits or increasing losses, it may signal the need for adjustments or cost-cutting measures. Ultimately, understanding business financial reports using directed numbers empowers us to make informed strategic decisions. Whether it's evaluating investment opportunities, assessing the impact of cost-saving initiatives, or making budgetary decisions, directed numbers provide critical insights. These numbers guide us in allocating resources, setting financial goals, and ensuring the financial stability and growth of a business. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how directed numbers are employed in practical situations. Whether you're tracking temperature trends or managing finances, this knowledge is a valuable asset. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons, where we'll continue to explore the practical side of mathematics. If you have questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and let's enhance your mathematical problem-solving skills.